I tried to 3D print drone propellers, and to test them, I attempted to see how well it could pull out of a dive. However, they were barely pushing out any power, and so they failed and exploded on impact. But over the last month, I've been directed to potential fixes for these in the comments. So we're going to give it a go with these changes. Now, the first change we're going to make is adding more pitch to the props. This makes it more aggressive at pushing out air. So I printed out this design, again, making sure it was in solid plastic so it would be as rigid as possible. And 5 hours later, we had our new set of props. Next, we had to sand the props down. In the previous ones, you could see the grooves of the 3D printer, and this adds a lot of air resistance, making the whole thing incredibly inefficient. So I spent the next hour individually sanding these down till we had a smooth surface. And they were looking a lot better, so I attached them to the drone and I took off. The first thing that I realized was that these props had way more power than the previous ones, making it a lot easier to maneuver. It was even able to do a dive, but just as I finished up my flight, they exploded. I guess they need more work.